Welcome to LJPEC and thank you for watching my video. I am Alpesh from LJ Polytechnic, Head of Electronics and Communication Department. Today's our topic is scope of marketing. Let us see what will be the content of today's topic. So, scope of marketing. Everything you need to know about the nature and scope of marketing. So, what is all covered in marketing is considered as a scope or area of marketing. Marketing has a very wide scope. It covers all activities from conception of idea to realization of profits. The scope of marketing is determined by the marketing offering of an organization. Marketing offering is a combination of goods, services, ideas, persons, places, information, etc. offered to a market to safety specific needs and wants of people. Market offering are not limited to physical goods. They are also include services like banking, air travel, hotel stay, tourism, etc. So which are not tangible in nature and can't be owned by the buyers. It's also known as or managed through 4 P's of marketing mix, that is the products, price, place and promotion, and STP process stated as segmentation, target market and positioning the products. In this video we will discuss about the scope of marketing, learn about the area, aspect and entitled covered in marketing. So let's see. The scope of marketing is as follow. First, that is the product and services. So product and services are the basic element of marketing. If there is no product, there is no marketing. It is considered with the nature, type and type of products, product quality and design, product planning and development, product decision relating branding, labeling, packaging, trademarks, etc. So the decision regarding product will be depend on the factors like design, features, brand name, product variety, quality, services, packaging, returns, etc. So these are the about the product place. Second, that is the marketing research. So though products and services were the starting point under traditional marketing, modern marketing starts with an analysis of the various aspects of market and related areas. It includes analysis of the nature and types of customer size, of market, customer attitude, buyers behavior. In depth analysis of customers and market is a prerequisite for every marketer to have a successful marketing. Next, that is the channel distribution. The pathway through which the goods move from producer to the consumers is the channel of distribution. It includes a number of intermediaries like wholesaler, retailers, jobbers, etc. Channels by moving the goods help in transferring the ownership of goods from seller to buyers. Then physical distribution. The physical movement of goods from producer to consumer is physical distribution. It includes transportation, warehousing, inventory control and management, order processing, etc. So the following are the elements of the distribution, that is the channel distribution: warehousing, product handling, transport, inventory control, and at last that is the order processing and coverage. So these are the elements which are included in the distribution channel. Next is promotion. However good a product is, it has a no value if it is not properly promoted. Promotion has the basic objective of informing the market about product, availability and creating a demand for it. Different promotional tools are there like advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, publicity, public relation, etc. So the main element of promotion are advertising, personal selling, public relation, direct marketing, publicity on social media, print, etc. and sales promotion. So these are the types or elements in the promotion. Now next is the important, that is the pricing. This is the only element of marketing which generate revenue for the firm. The pricing is considered with the pricing policy and strategies, price determination, discounts, commissions, etc. So in the pricing decision need to consider the below marketing variables, like first, that is the method of pricing, policy, strategy, allowance, discounts, rebates, payment period and credit policy. These are the key points in the pricing. Next, that is the environmental analysis. An analysis of the environment in which the business is to be carried out is the first step for an organization. This will help not only in the formulation of the corporate strategy but marketing strategy as well. It is include the study of economic environment, geographical environment, political and legal environment, social and natural and technological environment, etc. in the country or the outside. Next, that is the feedback from the customers. So for successful marketing of goods, it is essential that the marketer obtain the required feedback from the customers. Proper feedback mechanisms should be developed so that reasons for failure or less satisfaction may be identified in improvements in the products to be made. Then what are the responsibility towards the society? So business and society are interrelated and interdependent. A business cannot be exist in vacuum. It is derives its much needed input from society and therefore owes responsibility towards the society. The social activities are a part of marketing, as the unit have a protect and promote the interest of the society. A marketer to be socially responsive owes responsibility towards the employee, consumers, shareholders, etc. So these are the scope of the marketing, or we can say 4P of marketing mix. So friends, this is the all about today's topic. See you in the next video with some new topic of entrepreneurship and industrial management.